Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share with you a delicious recipe known as the 5-spice chicken. It's called 5-spice chicken because it consists of 5 special spices put together to form this amazing dish. So let's begin. We're going to start by heating up a pan and adding some coconut oil. To the oil, we're going to add 2 finely chopped onions. Fry the onions until they turn light brown and then add a handful of curry leaf. Along with this, you can add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Fry it until you get a nice aroma of the ginger garlic paste. Next, we're going to add 1 large tomato, also finely chopped. Add some salt to the tomatoes and let it cook until they turn soft. To this, we're going to add our chicken. I'm using boneless chicken here, 500 grams of boneless chicken, but you can use with bone if you like. Fry the chicken on high flame for a few minutes and then cover it and cook until it is almost done. While the chicken is cooking, we're going to look at the spice powders. First, we have 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder, about 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seed powder, and lastly 2 teaspoons of pepper powder. The chicken is almost cooked now, so now it's time to add the spice powders. I have mixed the spice powders together and kept it aside. Now I'm going to add them. Mix it well and again cover and cook for about 5 to 10 minutes until the chicken is fully cooked. Sprinkle some curry leaves on top and it's ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.